I was just out here grabbing the grill guard to put on my Chevy, and I looked at this and I figured I would do a old start, cold start on this. It's been sitting here for about 3 months. Haven't ran it. So I'm gonna see how good it is. It's got around 380 something thousand miles on it, so should be a good video. Brought my trusty daily driver out here just in case we need to jump the Ford. Big Chevy. This is Big Blue and that's Old Blue. Let's see what. There she is. It's got over 380,000 miles on it. Should start right up.